BMW is a company steeped in tradition, at the tip of the spear when it comes to innovation, and world-renowned for making an art form of the automobile. For the quintessential example of this truth, look no further than the BMW 7 Series. Our flagship sedan debuted in 1977 and featured a never-before-seen combination of state-of-the-art technology, unrivaled driving dynamics, and uncompromised elegance. Dominant genetic traits that have been passed on to each new generation of 7 Series for nearly 40 years. Today, the 6th generation 7 Series benefits from that legacy and adds to it in a way that is sure to enhance the car's legendary mystique. It combines best-in-class performance and efficiency with exquisite design, futuristic innovations, and contemporary luxury appointments that exceed the expectations of the most demanding and discerning of individuals. The result? The car that redefined the driving experience is now creating the future of luxury. Let's take a closer look. The exterior design of the all-new 7 Series radiates a sporty elegance while demonstrating status, power, and dynamism. The car has a poised presence and exudes a quiet self-confidence. It is easily identified as the most premium and refined of all BMW models. The front of the 7 Series is authentic BMW. A close look at the headlights reveals an all-new design, with the lenses now coming into direct contact with the kidney grille. This helps to accentuate the wide look of the front of the vehicle. Between the headlights resides an innovative active kidney grille. Between the traditional vertical bars are a new set of slats that automatically open to cool the engine when needed, but remain closed at all other times to improve aerodynamics and reduce drag. In the lower apron, chrome blades further emphasize the car's wide stance, while the standard air curtains reduce drag and wind resistance by channeling air around the front wheels to block outside air from entering into the wheel well. The side view of the car is a profile in elegance, sportiness, and luxury. True to form, the car features a long wheelbase with short overhangs to aid both in balance and vehicle dynamics. The width and height of the car remain unchanged, though it is an inch longer than its predecessor, which serves to accentuate the car's powerful and balanced stance. And in the U.S. market, the all-new 7 will now be available exclusively in long wheelbase. To further improve aerodynamics, the front fenders are home to air breathers that serve as a natural vent for any air that would otherwise be trapped within the wheel well. They are finished with a chrome piece that runs along the rocker panel and continues until it disappears behind the rear wheel, an elegant and luxurious touch that accentuates the car's long wheelbase while speaking to its inherent weight balance and low center of gravity. In keeping with tradition, the rear windows are home to the Hofmeister kink, but as a first, they're outlined using one continuous flowing piece of chrome, a clear demonstration of craftsmanship and artistry. It also features an all-new, innovative LED light carpet. White LEDs hidden under the side rocker panel illuminate the ground beside the doors to welcome you when unlocking the car or to greet you upon exiting the car. As with the front of the car, the rear design takes on a horizontal focus to further enhance the car's wide and powerful stance. To further accentuate the sporty appeal of one's 7 Series, an M Sport package will be made available. On the exterior, it will feature an M Aero kit with aggressively styled front and rear aprons, along with M-designed alloy wheels, painted black brake calipers, and a couple of M-exclusive metallic paint selections, including carbon black and Singapore gray. 750i models will also include a sport exhaust. Inside, one will find an M driver's footrest, M door sills, and either an anthracite or Alcantara headliner. BMW has long been a pioneer in the development of vehicles using intelligent lightweight materials, materials that are more often than not more expensive to develop and manufacture. From aluminum to magnesium to thermoplastics and carbon fiber, BMW's unwavering commitment to build ultimate driving machines has been an exercise in authenticity. With the advent of the i brand, BMW further solidified its place at the forefront of innovation by bringing to market cars with frames made almost exclusively out of carbon fiber, a substance that is 30% lighter than aluminum and 50% lighter than steel, and yet stronger and more rigid than both. Taking full advantage of all the R&D that went into the development of the i8, The all-new 7 Series is now the first production car in history to benefit from a carbon core design. BMW has strategically integrated carbon fiber into the vehicle frame, along with traditional steel and aluminum. For example, carbon fiber can be found in the roof reinforcement, which lowers the center of gravity and enhances torsional rigidity for improved handling and dynamics, while also bolstering the car's crashworthiness. In total, the car is up to 190 pounds lighter than its predecessor, which will also yield improvements in acceleration, braking, and fuel economy. And as an added benefit, carbon fiber has a longer lifespan than traditional metals, while also being fully recyclable at the end of its use. This is clearly one instance when beauty is more than just skin deep. From a performance standpoint, BMW has once again moved the needle and achieved new benchmarks in superior driving and efficiency. The car will be offered in the U.S. as the 750i in both rear-wheel drive and X-Drive configurations. It also is home to an 8-speed sport automatic transmission that includes steering wheel mounted paddle shifters and a launch control function that allows for the fastest possible acceleration from a standstill. The 750 is home to a 4.4-liter twin-power turbo V8 that ensures instantaneous power delivery without traditional turbo lag. This twin-turbo engine has 445 horsepower and 480 foot-pounds of torque, resulting in a class-leading 0-60 time of 4.3 seconds. To put that in proper perspective, that's nearly identical to the M5. Driving dynamics control is included with 4 driver-selectable modes: Sport, Comfort, Eco-Pro, and an all-new innovative Adaptive mode. This feature allows the driver to customize a number of vehicle attributes based on personal preference. In Sport mode, throttle response is more lively, power steering firms up, gear changes happen at a higher RPM, and suspension damping is tuned for sportier driving. In Comfort mode, each of those settings is placed in a more relaxed state of being. In Eco-Pro mode, all settings are adjusted to maximize fuel efficiency, which can yield fuel savings of up to 20%. But the real wow factor comes by way of the all-new Adaptive mode. When selected, the car monitors and learns one's personal driving style, and then automatically adjusts the shifting characteristics according to the navigation data. Additionally, the transmission communicates directly with the car's nav system to get a preview of what lies ahead. With this information in hand, the transmission can know to downshift when a corner is approaching. The all-new 7 Series is redefining luxury and setting new standards for functionality and connectivity along the way. The interior cabin is an oasis of well-being, a celebration of fine craftsmanship, and an ode to precision and attention to detail. To achieve these ends, every element of the interior has been enriched, enhanced, and refined with the finest materials. The cockpit has been logically and ergonomically arranged with a driver orientation for easy operation of all instruments and controls. Precisely shaped, gently sloping surfaces have been utilized, as have stylish materials and elegant color combinations, to create an ambiance of refinement that sets new standards. The result is an interior that is formal without being stuffy, and elegant without sacrificing the car's inherent sportiness. Upon entering the cabin, individuals will notice impressive head, leg, shoulder, and elbow room throughout. Once settled, the eyes are instantly drawn to an exquisitely designed dash panel and center console, one with few gaps or seams. A high-resolution 12.3-inch dynamic digital instrument cluster provides the driver with pertinent information necessary for driving safely and effectively. The front seats are outfitted in the finest Napa leather on 750i models, with intricate diamond pattern stitching that oozes contemporary luxury. The multi-contour seats, standard on the 750i, have 20-way power adjustments. Front massaging seats are also available, complete with 8 different massage programs and 3 intensity levels for the seat cushions and backrests. Rear seat passengers are treated to class-leading legroom that further enhances the feeling of independence and relaxation. The standard 4-zone automatic climate control system also allows each outboard passenger to heat or cool his or her personal space as desired. Rear seat massage is available, as is an innovative vitality program that can guide passengers through a series of 7 different back and shoulder exercises that stimulate blood flow and improve circulation. And for those who want to transform the rear seats into a first-class cabin and mobile office, there's the Rear Executive Lounge seating package. It comes with a reclining right passenger rear seat and a power fold-down rear footrest that emerges from the front seat back. The right rear passenger can also move the front passenger seat forward for additional legroom, while also folding down the front seat headrest. There is also a fold-out tray table neatly hidden in the rear center console. Lastly, the package includes yet another 7 Series innovation, the BMW Touch Command tablet. The Touch Command tablet is a portable 7-inch Samsung tablet that has an integrated space in the rear center armrest for storage and charging. It can be used by rear seat passengers to control a long list of entertainment, comfort, and navigation functions, including 4-zone climate control, power rear sunshade operation, rear seat adjustments including heating and massage functions, interior lights, audio functions, and sound settings, and point-of-interest online searches. For 50-plus years, Bowers & Wilkins has pushed the boundaries of acoustic engineering and speaker design in their quest for audio perfection. Their engineers have worked closely with BMW throughout the entire development cycle to carefully design and position the speakers in such a way as to maximize sound quality. The system features 1,400 watts of power, delivered via 16 speakers featuring illuminated stainless steel covers. Diamond tweeter dome technology found in their top-of-the-line home speakers are now available for the first time ever in an automobile. The mid-range speakers are constructed of Kevlar to better prevent unwanted distortion. And the subwoofers are constructed of Roacell, a composite material used in aeronautics and racing car bodies that strikes an ideal balance between lightness and rigidity. The newest generation iDrive is also on the all-new 7 Series, complete with a navigation system that now includes free wireless map updates. But 2 specific iDrive enhancements have forever changed the way one interacts with the car. The first is the inclusion of a new user interface with touchscreen functionality. It features an intuitive, tablet-like operating logic that allows one to swipe sideways between menus, scroll up and down through pages, and even pinch and zoom on navigation maps. The second innovation is the groundbreaking gesture control technology, a first ever for the automotive industry. Using nothing but one's hand, iDrive now recognizes 5 distinct gestures. Rotating one's hand in a clockwise or counterclockwise motion adjusts the volume. Pointing one's index finger toward the iDrive screen answers an incoming call. Swiping one's hand to the right past the iDrive screen declines an incoming call. Pointing 2 fingers at the screen acts as a configurable quick access memory function. For instance, one can quickly tell the navigation system to take or guide him home, or quickly instruct the screen to turn on or off. Lastly, one can use a pinch and drag gesture to get a 360-degree view around the car to better see people or objects when trying to maneuver in tight spaces. And should one prefer to use iDrive in a traditional manner, there is still a centrally located hand controller with quick access buttons that are ready and available for use. Other standard features on the new 7 Series include comfort access, park distance control, a power tailgate, a power rear window sunshade, and ambient lighting with 6 different color choices. A panoramic moonroof is also standard, complete with a tilt and slide front glass panel and a power sunshade. The optional panoramic Sky Lounge LED roof features over 15,000 engravings in the glass that are illuminated by LED lights that can be changed to 6 different colors to match the ambient light accents throughout the cabin. The effect is both dazzling and awe-inspiring. Available for the first time in a BMW is an in-car Wi-Fi hotspot. It features broadband and LTE access that's powerful enough to allow for streaming content from services such as Netflix. One all-new package of note is the Ambient Air package. BMW has partnered with a French perfume manufacturer to create 8 distinct scents that can further enhance the pleasure associated with driving the 7 Series. These scents are available in small cartridges that can be installed in the glove box. With the push of a button on the climate control panel or using iDrive, the selected scent can be dispensed into the cabin in 3 different intensity levels. The feature also includes air ionization technology that will cleanse and purify any pollutants from the air entering the cabin from outside. The all-new 7 Series features 25 all-new cutting-edge technologies, making it the most innovative vehicle in its class. And while we've already highlighted a few of these groundbreaking new features, let's take this opportunity to explore a few more. Wireless charging is one such innovation. Opening the front center armrest reveals a small pocket that serves as a wireless charging slot for one's personal cell phone. The system uses the QI wireless charging standard. A charging indicator light is also included. When in use, the system connects the phone to the roof antenna for stronger signal strength. The system even warns the driver if he or she attempts to exit the vehicle without the phone. Another powerful innovation is the display key. This state-of-the-art remote control features an LCD touchscreen that provides the driver with useful real-time information, such as the car's current fuel status and estimated driving range. It can also be used to check the status of the central locking feature, windows and moonroof, and service requirements. The innovative head-up display available on the previous generation 7 Series has been dramatically enhanced. In addition to a 75% larger display, it features best-in-class font size and more intuitive, high-value graphics. The updated layout and graphics include a preview of upcoming turns, a zoom-in function for intersections, and the ability to see any check control messages the car generates. Active park distance control is included with the parking assistant option. As the term active denotes, the car can now automatically apply full braking and stop the vehicle when the driver is about to hit an object during parking maneuvers. The all-new 7 Series also includes a number of new innovative driver assistance features. One such feature is the surround view camera, which has added a 3D perspective view. The driver can choose to view the car from a number of perspectives. This can help the driver see exactly how to line up the wheels when parking near a curb so as to avoid damaging one's wheels. The 7 Series is available with an active driving assistant package that includes some carryover technologies, including lane departure warning, blind spot detection, speed limit information, frontal collision warning, city collision mitigation, and pedestrian warning. Simply stated, the all-new 7 Series is the contemporary luxury experience for the performance elite. It is luxury redefined.